Are you ready for it? Here's the most effective way to manifest love in your life. 100%. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for clicking the bell icon. We're here almost every day to empower your life with the law of attraction. High flyers, we're not that far away. We're almost filled up. It's pretty amazing. Manifest your perfect destiny. Get rid of the blocks emotionally. Get rid of the blocks vibrationally. Get rid of the blocks psychologically. Remove yourself from the blocks that are holding you back from the life that you desire and deserve, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. Oh, it's going to be an incredible weekend in Sedona, Arizona on 11/11 through 11/13. So visit us at manifestyourperfectdestiny.com. So high flyers, I'm going to share with you the most effective way to attract real love easily and without effort. And it's 100%. You see, most people go about attracting love from the outside and they try to bring it in. But the real key, the real secret to attracting true love is from the inside out, whether it's someone you know, whether it's a specific person, or someone you've just met, or someone you haven't even met yet. When manifesting love and getting them to chase you, we are not attracting from the outside in, we're attracting from the inside out. You see, your love vortex, which circles you, you're the center of your universe. It attracts outward. In other words, whatever you create inward is manifested outward into the 3D world, but not the other way around. So you have to create it inward first in order to experience it in your life. As you learn to clear your vortex, you start sending out a frequency that acts as a vibrational pheromone. So high flyers, what do you think a person would be willing to pay to have a vibrational pheromone that literally attracted people, had them chasing you? Well, it's yours absolutely free. All you have to be willing to do is stand as a co-creator of your reality in the center of your manifesting love vortex. Stand in the center of this vortex and draw whatever you desire into you by first creating it within you and sending it out. To expand your attraction love vortex, it's essential that you see and you feel and you believe yourself from the inside out to be someone who enjoys loving, someone who is worthy of love, and someone who others desire to love. If you don't firmly believe that, you'll be operating in a state of lack, a lack mentality. And that's the opposite of being in demand. That's the opposite of awakening this vibrational pheromone. Remember, high flyers, we attract what we are, not what we want. Gandhi said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." So if you want to see people loving you, wanting you, chasing you, then you better start loving, wanting, and chasing yourself first. Remember, we don't attract love from outside in. We attract love from inside out. The universe will reflect your frequency back to you in the form of people wanting to be with you, desiring to be with you, even a specific person, even an ex, even someone you barely met, or maybe even someone you don't even know yet. High flyers, it really doesn't make a difference. The primary secret is how much do you love yourself? How worthy do you feel about yourself as a person, as a lover, as a being of love, as a spirit of love? High flyers, as you focus on your inner vortex of love, you change your outer reality. You see, anything you change in here is reflected out here. The nice thing about it is when you change things in here, it's reflected out here, and this is when love comes chasing you 100%. When you are constantly looking for love outside yourself, you are projecting want, fear, neediness. These are all contrary to the law of attraction. So high flyers, I want you to say these special affirmations and say them morning, noon, and night every day to shrink the energy blocks that keep you looking in all the wrong places for love. You remember that song? Looking for love in all the wrong places. Your first affirmation is, I love myself unconditionally. I love myself unconditionally. I'm not putting any limitations on myself anymore. I love myself unconditionally. I am worthy of all the love and commitment I desire. Sometimes people feel wrong for desiring love, for desiring commitment. I get this all the time from people. They say, well, we like each other, we're dating each other, but there's no commitment. I can't seem to get a commitment out of him. Guess what? You're not wrong for desiring a commitment. But you might feel wrong. You might have been told to feel wrong or made to feel wrong, but you don't need to. You're worthy. Oh, I love that word. You are worthy of all the love and commitment that you absolutely desire. I am letting go of my past pain as I embrace happiness and love. At some point, high flyers, we have to let go of past pain because that's going to influence us in every relationship, in every love experience in the future if we don't let go. So I love this affirmation. I'm letting go. I'm constantly in a process of letting go. I'm always letting go of past pain because there's new pain coming. So I'm letting go. I'm letting go of past pain and I embrace happiness. I like to feel good. So high flyers, these affirmations help you refrain from chasing. Whenever you chase, it implies that someone or something is running away from you. These affirmations will aid you in developing a secure attachment style within yourself versus an anxious, preoccupied attachment style or a dismissive, avoidant attachment style or a fearful, avoidant attachment style. A secure attachment style comes from you knowing in here, in the center of your vortex, knowing and believing you are worthy of the love you desire. From this day forward, I believe you are no longer seeking or trying or wanting or denying. You are now living a secure attachment style with honesty, filled with love, a healthy, honest, loving, committed, beautiful relationship. You see, someone who is secure And living a secure attachment style is living the highest version of themselves. They remove the blocks, they're doing the affirmations, they believe in themselves, they're living in the center of their vortex, they're focused on internal change, not external, and the external comes as a result of the internal. Here's some other resources to help you develop a clear energy flow within your body, within your mind, within your soul, within your spirit, within your loving energy vortex. I highly recommend that you get the book Bioenergetics, Betrayal of the Body by Alexander Lone, MD. You will learn various exercises and breathing techniques in this book to help you free trapped energy that has been literally trapped in your neuromuscular system of your body. Yoga, get into a good yoga program. Also, high flyers, how about a dream book? Write down your dreams, no matter how far-fetched they seem. What are your dreams? And listen, here's the key. Don't include any of your dreams about a specific person. They're only dreams about your life, what you desire to live out in your journey. The reason you're doing a dream book is, well, this is interesting. When you do this dream book, you're writing down all the things that are important to you. So you're focusing inward again. You're focusing on your journey rather than just trying to reach out and pull someone to you. You're attracting them to you. You're making yourself more important. You're putting yourself up on the pedestal, and you're becoming more magnetic. Of course, high flyers, do the affirmations I just gave you. And finally, here's an incantation you can add. An incantation is a direct command to your subconscious mind. I invoke my subconscious mind to help me feel completely secure, magnetic, and loved at all times. We want to help you on your journey with love. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries. I believe we'll help you too. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.